They recklessly hunt in lion territory. Very quickly, the cheetah intrusion was discovered by the dominant male lions. The male lion approached the cheetah, grabbed the cheetah's head and decisively attacked and killed him on the spot. When hungry, any animal can become a lion's meal. The hippo leisurely foraging on the grasslands is too subjective. Grasslands are where lions can maximize their strength. Once targeted by a lion, the chance of survival is quite low. The lion's attack from behind left the hippo unable to resist and could only accept his fate. The size of the prey cannot make it difficult for lions, whether they are giant elephants or huge giraffes. Lions always have intelligent coordination in every action. They hunt extremely professionally. Even though they are many times larger than lions, elephants and giraffes are still herbivores. Lions have very quick reflexes. They often attack their prey's weak points, completely giving them no chance to resist. Those who try to confront the lions usually do not end well. The notoriously greedy hyenas are trying to steal prey in the lion's territory.